Under the moon and the quiet sky so clear, a whisper of hope is all I hold near. Every breath, every word, a humble call, guided by mercy, the one above all. Through the path with thorns where shadows creep, I tread with faith, my soul does leap. Hands raised high with a heart sincere. Every moment I know He's near. Oh, eternal light that shines so pure, guide me always, your love is sure. No riches I see, no crown to wear, just your mercy forever, everywhere. In the stillness where the silence stays, I find my solace in whispered praise. From the sunrise to the starlit dawn, in your grace I found my home. When my voice shakes and my fears ignite, you calm the storm with warm, pure light. In the echoes of faith, I find my song. With you, I'll stand forever strong. Oh, eternal light that shines so pure, guide me always, your love is sure. No riches I see, no crown to wear, just your mercy forever, everywhere.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night